Oh, you want to play that? You lousy stinker. Let my guard down for 1 second, missed a classic lightning shot.
I'll be clear, bullet area. Also spoken to flight is negative 487. Fire alarm cartridge and quarters. You have full cars going on quarters. Joe, this is you at the bottom of the tower. And pick up one of the conductors and bring it back to the east end shanty.
Oh, Selkirk's talking again.
Shop lead there if you can.
Coming on to Prairieville, Entree, fire alarm activation, the Casper residence, number 153, Town Road, Town of Hillsdale, cross street 23 in the dead end. For the alarm company, Zone 1, fire alarm.
Busy night for police and fire departments all over the place. Wow.
Activation, the Casper residence, number 153, Town Road, Town of Hillsdale, cross street 23 in the dead end.
Have a county highway supervisor on 23B, Eastridge South Prison Road. Just ordering their arrival. Currently about 73-year-old male patient was at home. Didn't hear something about on the floor. Lost the conscious, had no blood thinners. At that point, he was semi-responsive, not really knowing what was going on or who was there. About 10-15 minutes wanted to come around. At this point, he's been AFib, uncontrolled in 170s, back and forth with occasional PVCs. Right now, full feet fine, knows what's going on for the most part. Getting 25 to Cardizem was slowing him down a bit. He's got some multifocal PVCs going on right now. Dan's okay, a little O2. Rates right now still around 140. 12 weeks confirmed AFib, no other ST abnormalities. IV in place, fluids running, but it's everything on board. We'll see in a little bit. Mention Bravo.
Damn.
One, 2, and 3. Check down. Background. 21 with you, 10,000 information, Bravo. Bradley, TS 1121.
Oh, shit!
Coming home with purple.
I just got that bastard. Holy
Roger,
shit.
2 and expecting runway 24. We have Bravo.
Oh my God, man, look at that frickin'.
Speed 86. We're currently steering about 140 for weather. When able, we'll call you direct motel.
Right on the top.
Nice little blinding bolt. Spit me out some bolts like it did that last lightning flash.
Still alarm, engine 2, Mag 81, 7979 Brighton Avenue, 86-year-old male party, reports chest pain, cross street 91, Elberon, 176 Windsor Ave, time out 2045.
Uh-oh, I think we got round 4 coming. That was some brilliant flashes over to its Bosque.
Another?